This is verse 31, 14th chapter, Gospel of Matthew. Matthew has recorded for us how Peter asked Jesus to command him to come on the sea, walking on the water. And Jesus gives the command, and of course Peter starts well, but the buffeting of the waves and the wind, of course, alarms him along the way, and he begins to sink, and that's the point we pick up here. So, eutheos, this is indeclinable adverb. It means immediately, postposited, but immediately. Subject, ho Jesus, Jesus. Ektenos, this is from ekteno. To take something, to stretch out is really the idea, to stretch out. In this case, tein kera, the hand. So Jesus immediately stretched out the hand. Epilabito, this is the middle voice of lambano with the epi at the begin. So epilambano or epilombonomai in the middle. It's to take with the epi, adds a little bit of emphasis to it, and then the middle voice, in a sense, means take to himself, kind of a reflexive idea. Takes the genitive, so we have out to here. So he reaches out the hand and takes to himself, is the idea, of course, referring to Peter, grabbing him, I suppose, by the arm or something like that, and kai connective lege, and says, this is, of course, the present tense, third person singular, says to him, indirect object, dative singular masculine, oligopiste. The ole, of course, for being little, like an oligarch, something like that, a small number. The piste from pistis is faith. So little faith, that's as if he's addressing him in a kind of a nickname or personal name, little faith. Ace preposition with the interrogative pronoun te, into what or into why. Edistasas. This is from distadzo. The di means to, the tadzo from tasso, to take to, and out of that is derived the idea of having two minds, or a double-minded idea, something like that. Two things that are put out there side by side, and the ideas wavering between them is the notion. So, for what reason did you doubt? Is the force of it. So, if Peter had simply stayed the course, kept his eyes on Jesus, as it were, it probably would have been fine, but at this point he lets the distractions of the surroundings cause him the alarm that causes his situation to plummet rather rapidly. And Jesus now rebukes him, I suppose gently, that he should have just stayed the course at the beginning.